Hi, welcome to Books and Cooks. I'm excited for another episode and in my house this time with my friends and colleagues. This is Ruben from the city of Sun Prairie. And Ruben, do you want to tell us what you do at the city?
Yeah, so my role is kind of new. I'm the Communications and Diversity Strategist here in Sun Prairie.
Awesome. And I've been working a lot with Ruben and library staff on ways to market all the great things that are happening at the library. Yeah. And so a lot of the great things that are happening at the library are for our adults in the community, and Head of Adult Services, Erin Williams-Hart, does all of that and puts all of that together, as well as all the books for our adult patrons. And today's featured cookbook is this one that you see right here. It's the Wisconsin Cheese Cookbook by Kristin Hansen. And I'd love to talk to you guys about the book.
I love cheese.
Yes, well, I figured cheese and food was always up on our list. Yeah, what I loved about this book, I'm going to actually start frying. What I'm making today, actually, I should tell you, is 2 recipes from the book, which I'll talk to you a little bit about later. But I love this book. It was all about the creameries in Wisconsin. The introduction just talks a lot about different types of cheeses, cow's milk, sheep's milk cheese, goat's milk cheese, how to pair your cheeses with wine and beer. The book is divided into chapters by region, so Southwest, Southeast, Northwest, and Northeast Wisconsin, and the creameries that you'll find within those regions. And of course, there's recipes in the book. And the recipes are contributions from famous local chefs like Tori Miller, featured recipes from restaurants like L'Etoile. The appendix has a calendar of events, so it's great for tourists, or if you have family and friends visiting and you want to take a tour of these creameries.
It could be like a travel guide.
Your
way through Wisconsin.
Yeah, definitely. And they have retailers listed in the back of where you can find all these cheeses, so if maybe you can't get to the northwest part of the state, you could still find the wonderful cheeses there. And the recipes in the book are really have a broad range. So today I wanted to make some things that something sweet and something savory, and I actually used cheeses from the Carr Valley Creamery, and I used their mascarpone for the chocolate mascarpone pie that you see there. And I've also made some zucchini fritters with the fontina cheese.
I even like this little pot.
This is a pot that was my mom's. And
Those are the best ones.
Yeah, I have a lot of Indian cookware.
That looks really simple to make.
It was. So I shredded zucchini, fontina cheese, and you put an egg in there, scallions, an egg and flour, and just bring it together. I have some that I made earlier that are in the oven, so I'm just gonna line up our plate, and then you guys should definitely dig in. That's a lemon aioli sauce, mayonnaise, lemon, garlic, lemon zest.
Sounds amazing.
In the small bowl right there?
Yeah, to accompany your fritters.
Was that recipe also in the book?
Yes, that was with the fritter recipe, actually. So, yes, and they recommend whipped cream with the pie, so.
Moment of truth.
All right, so Ruben is clearly more dignified than I am. I'm just doing this as finger food. But
That's how we're really gonna eat it. Yeah, there we go.
All right, what do you guys think?
Wow.
It's
Gooey.
gooey.
Amazing.
Ready to.
All right, yes.
I'm gonna taste without whipped cream and then with.
Okay.
I'm going straight for the whipped cream.
It's like chocolate butter. That is good.
I am not much of a cook, but watching Svetha do this makes me want to.
Yeah. It seems cathartic. You're just standing there.